Mary Eleanora McCoy was an American philanthropist, organizer, and clubwoman. She is known for organizing the Michigan State Association of Colored Women. McCoy E. Delaney was born in 1846 in Lawrenceburg, Indiana. Sources differ on her exact birth date, January 26, 1846 or perhaps January 7, 1846. She was born in an Underground Railroad station, with one source naming her parents as Jacob C. and Eliza Ann Delaney, perhaps escaped slaves. She married twice, first to Henry Brownlow then to Elijah McCoy. Elijah McCoy was an inventor and the subject of the phrase "the real McCoy." The McCoys settled in Detroit in the early 1880s. Mary McCoy was an active clubwoman. She was a member of the 20th Century Club of Detroit, the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, the Lydian Association of Detroit, and the Willing Workers. With Lucy Thurman she organized the Michigan State Association of Colored Women. Her philanthropy included participation in the establishment of the Sojourner Truth Memorial Association of Michigan, which provided University of Michigan scholarships to children of former slaves. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.